If you're editing videos or podcast in 2025 without Descript, you're wasting hours every single week. Imagine deleting your mistakes by editing text like out of Google Doc. This tool changes everything. And today, I'm going to show you how to master Descript in minutes, not months. Hey, welcome back. After years of editing across DaVinci, Premiere Pro, even CapCut, I'm telling you this straight. This script is not just another tool. It's a new way of thinking about editing. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the real power of Descript, not just how to use it or how to use it smartly. We'll cover transcription, text-based editing, screen recording, audiogram generation, and many more. And this is not fluff. I'll show you how I personally use it to produce content 5x faster. First things first. Once you sign in, the dashboard looks like Google Doc, Meta Video Editor. Clean, minimal, as you can see. First time, create a new project. You can add video, create a video project or even audio project. We'll go with the video one. Simply then, drag and drop any of your video, whichever you want to edit. It's very simple. Just drag and drop. Simple drag and drop. As you can see, it's uploading. Will take a few minutes to upload and transcribe the whole video. After it's done uploading, Descript will auto transcribe it. The accuracy is 95% correct. And yes, it supports multi-speakers. You will see content laid out like script. And here's the game changer. You can edit the video by editing the text. Just cut a word and that's gone from the video also. As simple as that. The part 2, which is the text-based editing. Highlighting words, press delete, and boom, that's gone. Like, as I have already saw you, simple select a text and click on delete and boom, the video edits itself. Wanna remove the filler words? Like, simple. Need to click on the remove filler words and voila, it has selected all the filler words and simple remove one click, all are gone. Want to cut out the silences? It's also pretty simple. Simply click on the workload and click to shorten word gaps. And boom. You'll have to select it if you want the gaps 3 seconds or 2 seconds. I'll select this 2 because 2 works fine. 1 is okay because your viewers should breathe. At least you should give them a little space to breathe. Last but not least, if you want to tighten the selection, just simply delete the paragraph. Like select, click on wherever you want to tighten and click delete and voila. As you can say, as simple as that. This is not just fast, it's bulletproof for content creators who hate timeline scrubbing. By the way, it also has the timeline features, which we don't need to use it, to be honest. So just hide it. Part 3, which is the multi-track and screen recording. You can record your screen and your webcam at the same time, right inside the Descript. You don't even have to go to the other apps. Simply click on this record button, and as you can see, it has some pretty much options. Like if you want to record only your camera, you will be selecting this. If you want to record your camera plus your screen, you can select this one, and even you can record with only your audio. Not only that, if you are, suppose you are meeting, you are having a Zoom call or meeting, you can, and you want to record that, simply click on record with others. It's perfect for tutorials, reaction videos, even client walkthroughs. As simple as that. For podcast readers, you can import multi-track audio and Descript will transcribe and align them automatically. You can also switch camera angles visually through Scene Editor. No timeline headaches. It's as simple as that. Once you have done the editing, one click to publish on the multiple ways, like to deeply Descript shareable link if you are working with team members. Simple with the link, they will be able to access it to your local file manager or YouTube, even your podcast channels if you have one of them. One click to publish a shareable web link. No YouTube needed. It's as simple as that. If you want subtitles, Descript has it. Simple. Go to the captions and here you will be able to see a lots of, I won't say a lots of pre-made templates, but yeah, it has pretty much a variety of options like this one. This one is getting shit ton of views on TikTok recently. Even it lets you export them even with subtitles on the HTML, Markdown, doc file, even RTF. Bonus, audiograms. Select a clip, customize with Word, waveform animations, and post to Instagram or LinkedIn. Now you understand why Descript is not just a tool, it's an editor, cheat code. You're not scrubbing through timelines, not fixing tiny waveform glitches. You're not wasting time. You're just telling the story faster, cleaner, and smarter. If you're a YouTuber, podcaster, educator, or agency owner, Descript will change the way you work. I have used everything from Adobe to Resolve or even CapCut, but nothing else let me deliver finished content in real time like this. So if you like this video, hit that like button, drop a comment if you want anything more, or if I have missed something, or if you're struggling with specific Descript feature, let me know. I respond to every questions personally. So that's it for today, guys. Peace out.